You see that? Bellagio fountain.
$1.75, baby.
Vegas, baby. Ready? 3, 2, and. Guys, so me, PJ, Jonathan, and Brandon are going to Vegas for Ryan Pineda'S Content Day. And actually, I'm going to be joining the business day as well. But I'm bringing the whole crew. Why? Number one, I want to document it for you guys. And number two, I want them to be around big thinkers so that we can all learn and we can all grow. Because that's my motto, guys. I don't want to just learn and grow on my own. It's more fun when you do it with your friends. So, off we go. Got the crew in the car. About to have a lot of fun this weekend, guys. A lot. We're going to drink. We're going to gamble. We're going to network. We're going to learn. We're going to show you guys how it's done. Vegas, baby. Go check out some stuff. Look at this. You got Richard Mille, you got Audemars Piguet, you got Rolex. You know, let's see. I don't think they're gonna give us anything, but I still like to go check it out. I like to dream, guys. Let's go dream. We gotta go check out this fountain, the Bellagio fountain. So hurry up before we're late. Yo, you guys want to know why it's so important that we made it to this? Because it's 2023 and we want my money to flow like the fountain. You know, we did all things touristy because I haven't been back in 8 years. Vegas kind of looks the same, but it's more lit. And like the last time we went to the Bellagio was when I was like a kid, right? And it was packed. I didn't really appreciate it, but this time around, like I got to see it. I'm back with my friends. I'm back with a new perception of life, and seeing those waters shoot off and how much money is just like it costs to run these things. I'm like, dude, this is just crazy. Flow. 2023 spot of the. And I kind of made a joke in the video. I was like, I'm here because I want my wealth to kind of shoot off like those water fountains and explode and just do big things.
Dude, that's
exactly what I said. Yeah. Yo, what happened? Hey, yo, Brian, what happened? I told you guys it wasn't gonna be open. They don't open till 8. It's usually the time people sleep. Yeah. Come on, baby. Give me the stick. That 21.75, always winning, never losing.
Return on investment, bro.
How much you put in?
I made $1.75. Let's go.
Sir! Yo, bro, we making
$1.75, baby.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Vegas. All right, I'm about to iron my shirt. You gotta make sure you're looking fly. Today is content day, so I really don't know what today's gonna be like. I just think there's gonna be a lot of people. You're gonna see how Ryan Pineda actually makes his content. We're gonna see like his studio, his process, his editors, and then I think they're just gonna open it up for Q&A. We'll see. I have no expectation. I'm just gonna go in and
just do what I do best, network, ask questions, learn. We'll learn from there.
Where we at right now?
We're at the office, guys. Content day. Really cool to see a lot of people present that I watch on YouTube, and so that's like, it's one thing to watch YouTube and hear what they're teaching you, but to actually have them teach you like this, ask real question, mind-blowing, guys. Really cool event. I didn't really expect much. I didn't know what they were gonna do, but the fact that they brought some real heavy hitters on, awesome. Like, I hope we got some content we're gonna share with you guys, and there's a lot of cool people here, guys. So we'll keep it going. We gotta go back in. That's the recap. You know, my favorite part about being at that event for Content Day was just the energy and seeing the power of social media. Because when I'm here in San Francisco in our studio and I'm doing all the content, you know, you kind of just doing it with blind faith, right? I have faith that this is gonna work out. I have faith that this is gonna lead to bigger and better things for business. But being in that room and actually seeing people that were in my shoes 6 months, a year ago, 2 years ago, or even 3 years ago, now doing like big deals, that's encouraging for me. After work, we did play, we ate good food, we drank every night, and you know, that's the thing. We're gonna live a life of balance. Right? It's not all work, no play. We're in Vegas. So we got to network, we learned, we shot 2 podcasts too, actually. And end of the day, it was an amazing event. It cost a lot of money, but guys, that's what we do it for. Why do we work so hard? We work hard to build businesses. Businesses throw off money, and money allow you to get with your boys, with your team, with your family, and just learn and grow and just live life. Okay guys, we're gonna end the video here, and I thought that this sign right here could not be more fitting, because your moment is now. Don't waste the opportunity. Take action. That's the main takeaway from the event. Take action, and we can go into the nitty-gritty details. I'll go into a little bit more in another video about what I actually learned about the Ryan Pineda event and attending it and hearing all the speakers. It's really valuable that you gotta get into rooms with bigger people, bigger thinkers, and it will open your mind. And I'm sure that even PJ, Jonathan, and Brandon can share you guys the same, and that's why I wanted them to be at this event with me. It's not so much to document the process, but to learn and be around people who are just doing massive. I mean, these guys are doing 7, 8 figures. We got Pace Morby, who just told me that he did $120 million in revenue last year. I mean, these are the kind of people that you should be around, learning from. So we're gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go.